Hello teacher, hello everyone.
My name is John Chanti.
My name is Dansana.
My name is Đinh Trọng Quang.
Bobby boy. Hi, my name Bobby. I'm Lesbon. I land in Lesbon in Portugal. I take English at a big school here. I can speak Portuguese, Florida, and German a little bit. I love it her much Saturday. I leave the city and go to see Petra. It's beautiful old town very near Lisbon. Go with friends and we usually go here riding or walking in the lovely countryside. Sometimes we go surfing to the beach. And I think all my Portuguese friends can so really well. I can so very well. So some bad. I love the beach here on Sunday night. We sometimes go to Fado restaurant. Fado is traditional Portuguese music. I love it. I can now sing Fado feel well, but I can't play the guitar.
Chọn bạn. Sunday is also the day for Sidi has Asda Grill Sida in English. My friend Cham always cook delicious dish with potato. I can't cook it all, but I sometimes make this coffee for my friend. Coffee, whiskey and cream.
They love in and soda.
Hay chụp quay.
Không